So good morning. We're off to a good start in October. So far we got a lot of consistency so far. So right now just gonna what is this? Look at the charts. Yesterday we just went all the way up, man. It was amazing. Missed out on where was the trade? Yeah, right over here. Missed it out over here. Base the 4 hour close above a resistance. Went down, flipped bullish, and just shot up like I don't know, 2,000 pips. Oh, 900 pips. It's amazing. It's all good. You know, just stick with the trend. That's what I learned yesterday. You know, um, just stick with the trend. Yesterday, the 4 hour daily were bullish. I decided to counter trend. I did follow my rule, but the better opportunity and safer opportunity was to trade with the trend, which would have given me so much more money. But yeah, anyways, today could be seeing some top sideways action because the market moved a lot overnight, even in the afternoon, and there wasn't much news happening. For news today, we got 9:15 orange folder. I don't know if that's gonna move the market. We got the market open at 9:30, and then 10 o'clock we got this red folder with a jolts job opening. I have not reassessed the historical jolts movement on the charts, but it's okay. I don't think that moves the market so much. If it does and I missed it, it's okay. It shows I should have reviewed it. So, anyways, right now here the 4 hour it closed in an indecision candle. It tapped into a possible resistance area, as you can see over here. It dropped. That was the support, right? And because it finished in an indecision candle or doji, this thing will probably just continue whichever way it breaks. The short side, it is clean, but it's a counter trend. So I'm not too keen on taking shorts. But if it breaks the top, there are some nice range, 132 pip range to go up. On the 1 hour, you can see candle just being sideways. Minor support here. If it breaks it, still kind of messy, man. There's too many wicks here. You take a sell here to here, it's only 50. All the way down would be nice, but it's not super clean. Yeah, it's not even clean on the 4 hour. So I don't know. Not too keen on shorts. So I'm already accepted that today might be a no trade day, which is fine. But I will take longs. I will take buys above this area over here. Just add that, right? If it breaks this, we can probably wick fill this 1 hour wick, which is also the 4 hour wick. Just needed to break above this little resistance there. That's enough range. What was it? It's 80. Okay, 80 points. Yeah, it's clean, pretty clean. Oh no, it's gonna be less than 80 now. 50 points. Oh, 40 points. 40 points, 40 pips. Okay. Yeah, it's looking kind of messy right now. But if it drops down, breaks below here, that's clean. Right around this area is clean. Buys here is a maybe. And buys above this wick is clean. So those are my two areas that I'm looking into taking a trade, but we'll see. We'll pause here and see what the market open gives us. All right, so market's good about to open in let's go to Blueberry in about a minute, I think. Yeah, in about a minute. Here on the 30-minute, again, as I said, it's just messy over here. Not really interested in taking these shorts because you got wicks. Stop loss based off the 15 or even this 30-minute would be 65 pips. You're getting like 30, 40 pips. It ain't good. It might just wick down a little bit and then flip back up. Still looking for buys. That's what I like to see. We do got closures here, but look what happened. Closure below the zone, and then it wicked down, went up. Higher lows are being made. You got 15 seconds, and now this bullish candle is gonna close inside the zone. So 15-minute, no entry. It might just rocket up Yeah, it looks like it might just take off. Here we go. Here we go. It might just take off. I'm not gonna take this trade because I don't know, man. 90 pip risk, and I need it like up here, 87. I don't know. I just don't like this choppiness. This is all messy, man. Look at that. Imagine this is just crazy. Let's see if I can minimize risk. Yeah, 2.6, 2.0. Gotta change the settings. Um, okay. I might take a buy if it re-breaks the high. You know, then that shows a nice liquidity grab. It's about 96. Let's do 200. That's the lowest wick. 68. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, I can't take this. 70-point risk. Probably find some resistance here at 25 pips. 90 pip risk. I feel like maybe one. Wait for 10 o'clock, if anything, man. Doesn't Just doesn't make sense to me, man. It might take off, but man, see, I'll be fearful of the 15-minute resistance for 30 pips. You're risking 70 pips. That's only half. But it looks like it'll break and continue up. There we go. Right, as I said, it goes up, break off. If it re-breaks, retests and the highs and breaks it, it's gonna take off. But man, looking at fans from that other zone. So it's printing what I expected. But again, man, can't take that risk, especially when it's not too clean for me. It's overall the this has moved 68. Okay, so 1 to 1. Look at that. It would have risked 70, made 70 again to 1. Nice. But it's okay. But did it happen in the first 5 minutes? No. 50. Okay. So now it's hit that 4-hour level. So here on MetaTrader, we are approaching that 4-hour resistance. Top left corner, you can see we're breaking that previous 4-hour high. Damn, that would give us a setup. I can't take it. I'm just stuck right now. The 4-hour has a setup now. Breaks the previous high, respective previous low, broke the previous high, and this thing moved 50 pips. Yes, possible setup on the 1-hour. 100 pip risk. Maybe I missed all the trades today. 100 pip. what I learned, look at higher time frames. We'll look at higher time frames for maybe some possible setups, and then we could take those trades. Because the 4 hour always plays out. Also, there's news at 10, so who knows what can happen. And another thing I realized is the lower time frames are messy, such as the 5 minute, the 15. Here, the 30 was kind of messy. Just keep going up a time frame and take trades on that. Like this 1 hour is super clean. Should have taken it. I've seen it many times already. I don't know how many times, but I've seen it many times where the 4 hour has a setup, 1 hour has a entry setup. And yeah, should have taken that. Even half risk. Yeah. One of those things. One of those rules. It's scared. Use half risk. Because really, instead of waiting and missing on the move, just risk half or risk a small amount. Foil had a setup. I'm just so used to taking 15-minute setups, so it would be all over. I'm gonna pause this. Actually, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. So let's see where this closes. I'll come back at 10.
Love you guys. Catch you guys tomorrow. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, job done. Sounds like you guys. If you have any good luck, I'll catch you on a trenching. I'll be on what's on.
All right. So this you look at it, this 15-minute close with, and that shit moved a lot. I moved oh wow, 200 pips. All right, so this 15-minute close with no upper wick, which means it has to retrace. And I needed to retrace a little bit to take some buys, you know, but I just can't. Like, this is too far away from the support for me to take it. There's no other news to stimulate. The news comes at 10 o'clock. Wow. This shit is just flying. Damn. It's crazy, man. Something happening. Oh man. That would have given me a quick 400 bucks, man. 20-point risk, 20 pip risk. It already moved 48. It already moved 37. Just need 20, which is crazy. I just don't feel comfortable using this tight stop loss after it move a 200 pips move and for it to possibly go up. Like, it doesn't. It's an easy risk to lose, easy. Five minutes has some setups, but I don't take 5-minute trades. Wasn't I? 32. So that move is done. Gonna pause and come back at 10. Just thinking about how I could have catched this whole move. What came to my mind is, what I should have. Where's this? Run stop like this, TP entry around there. It was about a 670 pip risk, and you know what? If it tapped here and reject, I had options to either close half here. What was the price action like? Yeah, look at that. So here in the 1 minute, that's all I can see historically. It hit 24, and then it hit 50. I think at 50, I would have closed half out of fear, because once you hit 50, here's a 50, right? We got a minute. Here's a 50. And then it eventually, took a time, a little bit consolidated, and it hit that 1-to-1. But I only risked like 68, so I'm missing out on 17 pips, which ain't much. And on the 15-minute based it off structure, the 50 pip mark is right around that wick area. So I already know it's either gonna wick fill that and maybe come all the way back down. So I should have taken it, close half at 50, and then stopped at entry, and I would have made all that money. What was the volume? 7.5. Oh no, I'd close not 50%, 75% at 50 pips. So 5.6. Wow, I would have made about like 280 from here. And then I got a 1.9 lot still running. And that right now would have been, I'd like later on. But I would okay. 10 a.m. candle. Get and no lower wick. All lower wick. I mean, here the 1 hour, it closed bullish. Almost no upper wick, no retracement. News are in, shooting up. Bam. This weekly candle is crazy. In 2 days, it moved 1,600 pips, which is crazy. So hit that 1 hour level. There's really no. Missed out on a lot of things here, man. Yeah, I could have made 945 bucks right now. Even more now. That's just rocking it up. That's cool. That's cool. See gold. Just yeah, gold just even gold. I see, man. Oh, no tweets. Gotcha. So results, Roman jolts, million short. Still going up. No, it's all good. Easy, yo. Look at that. Just cleaning this up. Imagine it goes all the way back up to pre FOMC. Let's see how the overall stock market's doing. What daily? Okay, conclusion, jumping, horsehair gaming, everything jumping. Crazy. Google back up to over 100. Wow. Buy. I'll hit 42 bucks. Crazy. 75 bucks. And Tesla. Thing 30-minute candle. Got up like that. No matter like the zones to the left are not even that clean. There's Didn't even clean, and it shot up so nicely. Honestly, I think this whole retracement could be happening, or maybe you know, FOMC, NFP. Oh no, what's this week? NFP for sure on Friday. ISM tomorrow, ADP tomorrow, ISM tomorrow, and NFP on Friday. So big news tomorrow. Thursday, probably nothing's gonna happen, and Friday, um, it's gonna be crazy. All right, I'm gonna pause and see if something happens in 7 minutes. Right, so this 30-minute, we might get a setup. I'm gonna use half of my risk just because it's already later in the day, but with the 30-minute close in a doji with a large wick rejection, market already moved a lot. Stop loss is going to be, I'm going to take profit right around here on the support or 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips. Stop loss here is right at 78.5, but if this market rejects and flips and drops, we got clean traffic to the left, even on the 5-minute. So I will bring stop loss down to the current candle here because the 30-minute looks good, man. That's a big ass wick rejection. Right, big ass wick rejection, 1 hour there, 4 hour. 4 hour moved too much. Not saying that it should. So either one here, I don't trade. Two, I'm already risking half, so I'm lowering my risk. And it might, and especially if it respects this white line, there is that. Super clean. TP all the way down here for about 190. Let's see what happens. But even on the 5-minute, we got a downtrend, a lower trend. We waited for the 30-minute to close and it's bearish. The 50-minute has created lower highs, lower lows. And if this flips and respects that, then there is a probability that, we can risk maybe like 50 pips. Nice. Maybe 50 pips to make 50 pips are down here. Like that. So we'll see. 30-minute, it will, wake up for the bearish. But as long as it respects that. It's clean traffic. 40. I'll take 40 to 50 pips. Happen. 30-minute looks good. If it breaks it, it can move as high as it wants because I highly doubt that this one will break that previous 30. If it breaks this previous 15-minute high, then probably won't even trade. Once it's 10:45, I'm out. This was a possible trade. 20 pip risk. 10 times it's. This was the best trade. Should have taken this trade. 350. Ah, keeps going up. Alright, so maybe we'll get a setup. This 30-minute wicked up, respected the previous 30-minute high, also respected the previous 15-minute high. So now, if this flips within 6 minutes, I'll be taking a trade. Volume, it's moving a little bit faster, so we'll see what happens. Still only gonna be risking half because it's getting late. But basically, this would on a 30-minute, this would be a candle flip entry. Respected the previous high, flip, boom, break. This could probably drop all the way down there, which would be nice if it does, you know. 3 minutes don't seem like nothing's gonna happen. It's just going up. Might actually happen in the afternoon session, but I won't be here. Ooh, take it. Let's see if I get filled. If I don't get filled in 30 seconds, I am out. Let's see. Wow. 2. Okay, cancel. Alright, I'm out. It's just too late in the day. This thing could still drop, which is perfectly fine. But I ain't gonna take it. There you go. Let's see, would I have gotten 50 pips? Anyways, I'm gonna end this thing right here and see. I'll watch it later on in the day, see what would have happened. See ya.